My name is Luke Pomeroli. I'm an account manager here at ProSource Wholesale. Ace's color of the year is the pineapple cream. You can do contemporary designs with it as far as pulling in different colors to match and different colors to contrast and complement it. Your flooring is going to be your texture. You've got a little bit of some cooler tones that run through it, with the paint color being how it is and such a complete contrast, and just really will make that paint color pop as well, because it's such a different contrast. It's a pretty contemporary design. You got your rich brown cabinets, some simple subway tile, but if you set it in a different lay, if you have your tile setters lay it differently, you can do some cool designs like the pinwheel design you see here. And then you've got some simpler countertops for your cabinetry. The carpet that would be for the master suite would be more matching, but it's multicolored, so you get that contrast in there as well. It really can appeal to a lot more people. It's a well-balanced, relaxing, calm design.